Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Delhi Tarot, and these are your monthly readings for the Sun, Moon and the rising sign of Leo. Leo, please keep in mind this is your group general reading for the month of April 2025. Since this is a group reading, so please pick it up what resonates with you. Please leave the rest for others. And in case you wish to book a personal session for yourself, healing session, well-being session, hypnotherapy session, reading session, or any session which is related to your fear, anxiety, removing any kind of career or relationship blockages, you may connect with me on the email ID and the website mentioned in the description box below. The WhatsApp number is also mentioned for your convenience for you to put just a message, no direct call. Please, I'd really appreciate that. And all personal private sessions are paid processes. Now let us see your energies. You have a deceit coming in. You have a yin and yang energy, Leo, and you have an envy. This is for the first time that in energy oracle card reading, I have got all the cards which are reflecting to one single aspect. This particular month is a month of you to be very, very careful, cautious about your financial well-being, about the security, about the safety of your important papers, and the safety of your own well-being of the accounts. And this also means that you are this week, this particular month, don't be so over friendly or vocal about your plans, your important strategies, your documents, your papers. You need to be very, very careful about with whom you are sharing your insights, with whom you are sharing your secrets. And this particular month you have a lot of jealousy, animism around. You will feel you are getting very close to the things, you are coming very near to a closure, resolution or result, and automatically you will see it is getting far away. Why? Because you are getting too advanced with sharing of your information. You are being friendly with every month, everybody this particular month, which you need to avoid for sure. Now you also have number 7, number 4 and number 2. This means that people in your life at this stage, it's very difficult for you to trust people again back. And people in your very close circle, they might play little foul into your life. Maybe you witness a betrayal from a very close friend, maybe from a lover. I also feel that somebody is also playing at your back in your personal love relationship and marriage. You need to be very careful. People you feel they are friendly to you, they are not. They have your own personal motives to get it resolved from you. So you need to be very, very aloof this particular month. Yes, you are going to learn a lot of things from this experience, which is going to help you in definitely in some or the other way. But you will become very, very robust after whatever will happen this particular month. So you have number 7, lot of insights, spiritual awakening, spiritual well-being need to be taken care of, lot of new experiences, different kind of experiences, which is going to lead to long-term stability. And some confusion, some illusion is also staying. So this month, do not take any major decision, do not take any investment seriously, do not try to speculate this month. So there's a lot of instruction you might be feeling I'm giving it to you, but this is just my way of protecting you, just my way of mentoring you, coaching you, and telling you that you need to take care of yourself and your safety. When I say overall well-being, I mean to say your money, career, finances on one side, but even the relationship on the other side. And don't invest into anything this particular month. Now let us see your tarot insights. You do have a sun, and I'm so happy to see the sun, because sun is definitely going to bring the clarity into this kind of situation, which is going to be causing some illusion, some confusion. The sun is going to bring the light to all those things which you feel were hidden, but they are important for you to know. So sun is going to play the major role into giving you some light, some direction, some relaxation by the end of the month. And you have page of swords and you have 4 of wands. So yes, lot of settling kind of energy coming in. The only precaution you have to take between the settlement, the clarity and the this final settlement is page of sword. Now when you have page of sword, people do behave little like child in that situation. So you are so innocent this month, you are so pure this month, that you will not be able to understand who is right and wrong for you. So making the right decision, listening to the right people, identify the right people, identify your true well wishers is going to be little difficult for you. But once you are able to do that, trust me, you will then be guided in a very right way. And with Four of Wands, sooner or later you will get settled in your own wish, in your own dreams, in your own desire, and there is a long term stability coming into your life very soon. Now if you have this reading in front of you with number 4 and 4 appearing twice into your reading, you feel that you are a little far from your goal, but the angels want you to know that still you are on the right path. So even the goal seems to be unclear to you, the goal seems to be impossible to you, the goal seems to be not in your control or not into your grab. Please know, they want you to know that you are on the right path. You will get your dream fulfilled very, very soon. Just hold your heart, hold your dream. You are on the right track. Keep doing whatever you are doing. Just trust yourself more. Just be on your feet more. Do not be dependent too much on anybody else apart from your own self. And now let us see some insights into your money, career, and finances this month, Leo. For money's sake, you have again a temperance card coming in, and you do have 10 of swords, and then you also have the strength card. Yes, if you talk about your financial life, your money life, you have to be very careful. You have to take each and every step after giving 10 thoughts to it. You have to mix and match in a very concrete, conscious manner. You are supposed to, you will be feeling that, oh, I'm around sun and fire kind of energy time and again. So there is a lot of care you have to take in each and every step. Yes, with 10 of swords, you are tired of pulling off something, Leo, at professional front. You feel like giving up. You feel like, I have tried controlling the situation, managing the situation from all aspects, but finally you will say no to something which is going out of your limits, out of your capability to handle. And maybe I do feel in this situation, finally you start saying no to something which is taking a toll on your body, mind, body, and soul. And the strength card is, you just bank on your own willpower and courage this month. I do feel that, you know, the overall life will get settled, but professional life, your career, your business, your money, career, finances is going to see, or you're going to witness little difficult time in that aspect this particular month. And now let us see some insights, some oracle insights for your professional life this month. And you do have a card which says, you are a magical person who can now manifest your clear intentions into reality. So that is the reason I told you that even though the cycle seems to be difficult, the month seems to be difficult, but you need to still hold your dreams, hold your vision, because that will come true to you for sure. It's just a phase, difficult phase, which you will be going through. And the card of focus intentions gives a very clear indication. Keep your unwavering thoughts, feeling, actions focused on your target, and you will be able to mark mark your presence, mark your hard work, mark your courage. Though it's a difficult month, it's a month like I'm losing everything, but at the end of the day, just remember, Leo, you are on the right path. Don't stop. Keep moving. Keep doing whatever is needed at the professional front. And now let us see some insights into your love relationship this particular month. And the card you have is Four of Pentacles. Again, you have got 4. Even if you go on Google with 444, you will have the same message, that the angels want you to trust that you are on the right path. And you have got 5 of Swords, and you have got 10 of Cups. Hold on your relationships. Hold on your trust on your relationships. Things will improve for sure. Yes, there is a possibility that you're getting too judgmental about your partner. You're getting too judgmental about the relationship. You're getting possessive at each and every state. You're minding everything. You're taking everything so personally. and while you do this, you lose an opportunity to look at the situation from a holistic point of view. But yes, finally, as your reading says that you are going to get settled in whatever situation you are, you will be settled for sure. So 10 of cups is a final settlement, is a wish fulfillment, is a peace out time, is a place wherein you will feel back home. You'll feel that now it's the time that I'm going to rebuild my relationship. Yes, there are ups and downs. When I say ups and downs, two ups and two downs into your life in both the areas, the personal area, relationships, and professional life. So there is a lot of yin and yang energy. That is why it is coming into your reading. A lot of temperance energy. One point of time you will feel, oh, I have grabbed everything is fine. Another moment you will feel that, oh, nothing is stable, I have lost everything. So this is just the energy play which is going to happen this month, but you need to let it pass on this energy this month. Don't be so aggressive in deciding. Don't be so aggressive in taking a call that you have to take every major call this month. No, just relax, let this month pass, and just keep on doing. Be on your path. You know that you are on your right path, and you will be achieving what you want. And some angel insights for this particular month, and what they have to say, it's a peaceful resolutions, it's a kind of subtle energy. 100% not into your favor, but the angel says that 50 to 60% things will turn into your favor, and rest is going to be your karmic balance. Whatever you have served, or whatever you feel you deserve, will be served to you this life. So we only get what we deserve. We feel that it's in this costume, but angels, the divine, balances considering all our costumes. And the card says, if you believe you are on the right path, the destiny is going to shine back again on you. Just trust yourself this particular month. And now let us see your final insights for the month of April. Some oracle insight, what else you can expect this particular month. And you have a flower power, you need some healing support. You may do your self healing, you may use flower healings, you may consult Delhi Tarot, whatever you feel is right for you. It says spend time with flowers and flower essence to increase your personal healing power. Yes, some healing is going to support you little better this particular month. And your last card of the reading is marriage, which is already coming up into your life. Yes, this card represents collaborations. It could be a strong business collaboration coming in your way, which is going to stay in your life, because number 4 represents two things. One, I've already shared, on the right path. 4 is also the number of stability. So if there is a turmoil in your love relationship, marriage, even if you are at the stage of divorce, things will get settled back again. There are huge chances. It is going to be a peaceful resolution, and you might relive or restart with your life. So this might happen. And the marriage card says, the fairies join you in celebrating your wedded bliss. And when you see 4 of wands, this is actually a marriage card in any reading. So if you're single, you're looking for a marriage, it will happen. And even if you're single, you're looking for work, there is a possibility that you get into a business collaboration, partnership, or a venture wherein that association is going to be very, very big and long term, stable, and it is going to be with you till the end of your life. So it's a wonderful energies coming up into your reading. It's a very clear reading, though seems to be little difficult month, but at the end of the day, the end is going to be very good. Leo, do let me know how you resonated with little different reading this time, and I will see you next time very soon. Be blessed.